Hey, happy Wednesday. So on Monday, we posted a Math Monday problem using the order of operations. We want to thank those of you who spent the time to give us a couple of answers and incorporate a little math into your daily lives. For those of you who didn't quite catch that post, here's a quick step-by-step breakdown on how to solve the problem. When you're using order of operations, we always want to start with multiplication and division first. How do you know which one comes first? You want to read the problem like you would a regular sentence and read it from left to right. Here, when we're searching for our multiplication and division, we see that the division comes first, so this is where we'll start. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then we bring down the rest of the symbols and numbers that we haven't quite used yet. Next, since we're still tackling multiplication and division, we want to come here. 2 times 2 is 4. Once again, just bringing down the numbers and the symbols that come along with it. Now that we have our addition and subtraction, you once again just read it from left to right. Who comes first, the addition or subtraction? Our subtraction. So this is where we'll start. 2 minus 4 is a negative 2. And then we bring down our positive 7. Then last but not least, we have negative 2 plus 7 is a positive 5.